If you're a beginner and you don't have clients yet, listen carefully. The problem is not your skills. The problem is your strategy.
I don't want to do the lashes. Makeup flawless, never average.
In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to go from 0 client to fully booked. Let's be honest, most beginners think that once I learn a skill, client is going to come. But to be honest, that's not how it works. You can learn a skill and stay for months, but yet you have not learned yourself with a specific client. Now, where does all those strategies come from? You need to be visible. You need to be seen. You need to be, you need to present yourself in social media. You need to run a marketing strategy. You need to, let people know you. Put in your WhatsApp number. Post every day your before and after. Be on everybody's face. That is the only way you get a client, because some people that have been practicing this for years are still struggling with clients. So clients cannot just jump and start coming to you. Yeah, definitely cannot just, on acquisition start seeing clients. You have to be on everybody's face. What is the strategy that work for me? I have 2 strategies that work for me. The first one is being on people's face by posting, by making sure I post before and after. Another one is referring. You run a marketing strategy, try to use ad to be on people's face every time. These are what push you out there. People need to know you beyond your skills. They need to be seeing you every day to be able to book. And again, make it simple by creating a booking site where people are going to go in and book you without having to struggle to get to you. Do you understand? Another thing is, when I talk about marketing strategy, we have different kind of marketing strategy. We have ad, we have social media marketing, which goes with influencers. This is what is going to help you to be able to be on people's faces. You see all these upcoming influencers that have a lot of views. You get to invite them to work on them, and then they offer you, in exchange they are going to tag you when they are talking about the work you do for them. So this is what put you in people's face. If people did not see you, they don't know you. Okay, so this is the strategy that I use to push myself out there in face of everybody. And you can be a beginner and be making money more than people that have been in this business for years. This is the real truth. Okay, you need to be in people's face every single time. Post 2 to 3 when you are starting. You need to be posting every time. Listen, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and stay tuned, because we have a lot of things to discuss with you. We have a lot of things to engage with you with on my page, because your girl got you covered. You're a beauty entrepreneur, or you just started one skills, maybe lashes, makeup, and mostly you guys know we are all about beauty, right? So you need to follow me, you need to subscribe, you need to follow me on my social media platform. We are going to be bringing videos like this to your desktop, and we want you to stay tuned always like before. Love you guys. Bye.